You're a busy service business owner. You're juggling schedules, managing crews, and trying to keep your customers happy. And then there's the paperwork. Invoicing, paying bills, tracking expenses. It can feel like a never-ending cycle. Wouldn't it be amazing if there was a way to streamline all that? To automate some of the most time-consuming tasks? Well, that's where integrations come in. And today, we're diving deep into one of the most popular questions we get. Does ServiceTitan integrate with Xero? For those unfamiliar, ServiceTitan is a powerful all-in-one software solution specifically designed for home service businesses. It helps you manage everything from scheduling and dispatch to customer communication and marketing. Xero, on the other hand, is a leading cloud-based accounting software. It simplifies invoicing, bank reconciliations, and expense tracking, making it a favorite among small businesses. So, the burning question, can these two industry giants play nice together? The short answer is yes. ServiceTitan and Xero do indeed integrate seamlessly. Now, let's break down exactly what this integration offers you. Automated data sync. This is where the magic happens. With the integration enabled, data flows automatically between ServiceTitan and Xero. Invoices. When you create an invoice in ServiceTitan, it's automatically sent to Xero. This eliminates double entry and reduces the risk of errors. Customer data, customer information, including contact details and addresses, is seamlessly synced between both platforms. Payment information, payment details captured in ServiceTitan are automatically reflected in Xero, giving you a real-time view of your cash flow. Improved efficiency. By automating data entry, you save valuable time. Imagine no more manual data entry or tedious reconciliation tasks. You can focus on growing your business instead of getting bogged down in paperwork. Reduced risk of errors. Manual data entry is prone to human error. The integration minimizes this risk, ensuring your financial records are always accurate and up-to-date. Better financial insights. With all your financial data in one place, you gain a clearer picture of your business's financial health. Xero provides powerful reporting tools that allow you to analyze your revenue, expenses, and profitability with ease. Setting up the integration. The good news is that setting up the integration between ServiceTitan and Xero is generally straightforward. Within ServiceTitan, you'll typically find the integration settings within your account settings or integration section. Connect to Xero. You'll be prompted to connect your Xero account. This usually involves authorizing the integration within your Xero account. Map fields. You may need to map specific fields to ensure data is transferred correctly between the two platforms. For example, you might need to specify which ServiceTitan account corresponds to a specific Xero account. Test the integration. Once the connection is established, it's always a good idea to test the integration with a few sample invoices to ensure everything is working as expected. Benefits for different roles. For service technicians, the integration can streamline their workflow by eliminating the need to manually record job details. For office staff, administrative staff will benefit significantly from reduced data entry and improved accuracy. They can spend more time on customer service and other important tasks. For business owners, the integration provides valuable time savings and improved financial visibility. This allows business owners to make more informed decisions and focus on strategic growth. Tips for maximizing the integration. Regularly review and update. Ensure the integration is working as expected and that all your data is syncing correctly. Utilize Xero's reporting features. Take advantage of Xero's powerful reporting capabilities to gain deeper insights into your business's financial performance. Train your team. Ensure all relevant team members are trained on how to use the integration effectively. Common questions. Is the integration secure? Yes, both ServiceTitan and Xero have robust security measures in place to protect your data. What if I encounter any issues with the integration? Both ServiceTitan and Xero offer excellent customer support. You can usually find helpful resources and contact support directly if you encounter any problems. Does the integration work with all versions of ServiceTitan and Xero? Generally, yes, but it's always a good idea to check with ServiceTitan and Xero for specific compatibility information. Beyond the basics, while the core integration focuses on invoice and customer data, You might find that ServiceTitan and Xero offer additional integrations or features that can further enhance your workflow. For example, you might be able to integrate with other financial tools or utilize advanced reporting features within Xero to gain deeper insights into your business performance. The ServiceTitan and Xero integration is a powerful tool that can significantly streamline your business operations. By automating data entry and improving financial visibility, you can save time, reduce errors, and make more informed business decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.